Hey, Colonel. You awake? You gotta scramble.
Yeah, coming.
Shooter 1 to Apaches, Nomad Squad. We're approaching the target area. Be alert, boys.
Roger that, Shooter. 62. Shooter 2 acknowledges.
Heavy shit ahead. Be ready for anything, boys. Nomad 6-1, take out the hostiles on the road. Nomad 6-2, cover the flank. All right, for the record, we're governed by UN Resolution 2156. Anyone in the free fire zone is fair game. Make NATO proud.
RPGs! RPGs! Get the launchers before they fire! Closing in. On your right! RPG! This is 6-2. We're hit. Shooter 1, T-Ray, we're going down.
I'm en route.
What's that?
Shock and heat hit him hard.
Hey, Colonel. What's up?
Nothing, sir.
You look like you saw a ghost.
Just a dream. What's going on?
D-Ray's flight took a hit.
Back, please. Coming through! Coming through!
Hey. D-Ray, what the hell happened?
No idea. I've never seen an explosion like that. The helo just flipped over.
You okay?
Me? Yeah. I was far enough away, I wasn't hurt.
LePointe's giving us a sit rep. See me when you can.
Hey, Jen. That coffee for us?
I told you, Guts. I'll bring the coffee when you bring the donuts. Hi, Colonel.
Major, how's the AC-130?
It's all checked out. We're back in the air anytime.
Just remember, you're not flying a bomber anymore. You have to go in circles now.
Oh, maybe you should try flying the thing. You're used to chasing your tail.
Yeah, I chased tail, all right.
My men do not need help from the Americans, General. We will take the rebels ourselves.
Fighter escort is standard procedure, General Staglishov. You know that. NATO policy.
We are Russians, General Lepoint, not NATO. Major Illich,
Yes, General.
take your squadron into the air.
Yes, sir.
Colonel, thank you for yesterday.
Not a problem, Major.
Now we owe you more drinks, eh?
Yeah.
You can pay me off anytime.
No. There is not enough vodka in all Russia for you, Captain Gutierrez.
Colonel,
Yes, General.
enemy aircraft have been extremely active all across the target area. We are going to need everything you and Task Force 108 have. We have been gathering intelligence on this new weapon that the helicopters encountered. I'll give it to your intel officer as soon as possible.
Yes, sir.